have spent most of my summer doing a summer of art, and now I have all this artwork and it's just sitting in a folder. So I decided to scan it all. And you can actually create products that you can sell, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So up on my screen, as you can see, Printify.com, which is hands down my favorite place to upload my artwork. So I'm just going to go through the process and kind of talk my way through it. And if you want to do it too, all you got to do is sign up for a Printify account. It's free. There's a link down in the description for you to go to Printify to get started. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave something in the comments. And as always, if you like the content that I'm providing, go ahead and like and share. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my store. I'm already logged in. And you can see some of the stuff that I have already uploaded. And really, it's just as simple as what I'm about to do. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to cheat a little bit because it's a spiral notebook that I've already picked out. But once you actually pick out a product you like, you can hit this button over here by your product and hit duplicate. And then I can hit edit. Alright, and so as you can see, this is a design that I did already, but I'm going to go ahead and trash it. I'm going to go to my device. I'm going to upload some art that I have done last year during COVID. Alright, and I like this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. And there's some little tips and tricks. I usually hit, you can do background removal, there's all kinds of stuff. I usually hit this icon right here to kind of make it as big as it can be on the page. And I'm going to save the product. I always pick the one where it's kind of open. So here's where you need to get kind of SEO stuff. And I'm going to put beach, sunrise, watercolor. Because that's what it is. And just for grins and giggles, I leave everything alone. I have got my Printify attached to my Etsy store, as you will see at the end of this video. So I will do another video on how to do that if you want. Just all you got to do is do it. All you got to do is send me a message or leave me a note. And so I've got everything on here. It assigns a new shipping profile. I'm going to leave the pricing as is. I'm at a 40% profit margin, but you can change that. And I'm good to go. I've checked everything. I hit publish. Alright, and it's working on it. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you one that's already been published. I'm going to show it in the store, see it in my Etsy store, which is right over here. And there you go. So I know this is quick, but if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment below, and I'll also do another video on how to connect your Printify to your Etsy store. Thanks, and happy art scanning.